In a world where technology reigns supreme, a new hero emerges. With the power of artificial intelligence at their fingertips, they unlock the secrets of the universe and uncover 10 ways to make money like never before. Step 1. Create an AI-powered business. Imagine a clothing company using AI to recommend outfits to customers based on their style preferences and previous purchases, or a beauty brand using AI to personalize skincare routines based on customer skin type and concerns. Step 2. Develop an AI-based product. The possibilities are endless when it comes to AI-based products. From a virtual assistant device that uses natural language processing to respond to voice commands and controls smart home devices, to a health and fitness wearable that tracks and analyzes daily activity and provides personalized recommendations for workouts and nutrition. Step 3. Invest in AI companies. Alphabet, Google's parent company, is heavily investing in AI research and development, and NVIDIA specializes in creating AI hardware and software solutions. Step 4. Use AI to improve your marketing strategy. Imagine a travel company using AI to analyze customer data and provide personalized recommendations for destinations and activities. Or a restaurant chain using AI to analyze social media trends and adjust marketing campaigns accordingly. Step 5. Use AI to enhance customer experience. Imagine a retail company using AI-powered chatbots to answer customer inquiries and provide 24/7 support, or a bank using AI to analyze customer financial data and provide personalized financial advice. Step 6. Use AI to streamline supply chain management. Imagine a logistics company using AI to optimize delivery routes and reduce transportation costs, or a manufacturing company using AI to analyze inventory levels and predict demand to reduce waste. Step 7. Use AI to improve healthcare. Imagine a hospital using AI to analyze patient data and identify patterns to improve diagnosis and treatment, or a pharmaceutical company using AI to analyze drug development data and optimize the process to reduce costs and improve success rates. Step 8. Use AI to improve financial services. Imagine an investment firm using AI to analyze market data and provide personalized investment recommendations, or an insurance company using AI to detect fraudulent claims and improve claim processing times. Step 9. Use AI to improve education. Imagine an online learning platform using AI to personalize learning plans and provide real-time feedback to students, or a school district using AI to analyze student performance data and identify areas for improvement. Step 10. Use AI to improve cybersecurity. Imagine a cybersecurity firm using AI to detect and prevent cyber attacks in real time, or a financial institution using AI to analyze customer financial data and detect potential fraud or security breaches. In a world where AI rules supreme, the possibilities are endless. Will you harness the power of AI to unlock your financial potential? The choice is yours.